Morning YouTube, how you getting on? So today's episode on the Ford Transit custom camper van build. We're going to remove the bulkhead, we're going to remove the floor, tie downs, all the ply panelling. We're going to get everything started to get prepped, ready for the installation. So yeah, it should be a good day. We fitted the window yesterday, we did record that. Unfortunately, coming around to looking at the footage, it was corrupt, so we lost everything on fitting the window. But I will show you a little round, show you the window in a little while, show you what we've done. Looks really good, to be fair. I'm super happy with that. That was from Van Pimps. Wasn't sponsored or anything like that. We bought them ourselves and highly recommend them, guys. So yeah, so we'll get out, show you the window, show you what we're going to be using to take the bulkhead off and everything else, and put you on a time lapse. See you in a bit. There you go, guys, that's what the window looks like now it's all in. So it went in nicely, got a nice uniform gap all the way around the edge. Gonna get a little strip along here just to keep everything nice there, but apart from that, guys, yeah, super happy. Right, let's get this open and then I'll show you what we're gonna do. So size 13 for them and a torque, I think it's a 30 bit, let's have a look. So we've got size 13 for the floor and then a TX30, so a torque 30 for the bulkhead. So yeah, we'll get this removed, get all this floor out, get them tie downs done, and then we'll come back to you. We'll put you on a time lapse so you can watch as we go. See you in a bit, guys. Right, got my 13mm. Let's start with taking these tie downs off, and yeah, we can go from there. Right, I think that's all the tie downs off, guys. That's it. So what we need to now do is take this floor out. Hopefully that'll just unclip nicely. We'll see how we get on. In the meantime, wish me luck. Right, that's all the bolts out, guys. So I've took all these bolts out, shoved them in there so we can keep hold of them. All of them out, all down the side there, all down the side. Excuse me. There's some that run along there, but that's just because the bulkhead splits in half. So you've got bottom half and top half. I'm removing the whole lot, so I've left them in, take them all out as one. But along here, I've got to run a knife all the way along here, guys, because there's some mastic down there. So yeah, let me bring the camera a little closer and we'll get that cut out, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it should come out, no problem. Great stuff. Brilliant. Babe? Yeah? Give us a hand, please. We'll go towards the side all the way. Watch your roof. Tip on the side. Thank you very much. Hey, money. Alright guys, that's out. Thank God for that. We can clear up all this crap now. What have we got? We've got an alcohol wipe. We've got a £2 coin, guys, so that can go in towards the camper van fund. We've got a Wago connector, which might come in handy. Oh, and an extra long socket screw, which is handy because I need a couple of them, so that's a win-win for me. Apart from that, guys, all good really. Once we've moved this seat out of the way and had a good old tidy up of here because it's a bit manky, it'll all be good. Right, so panels off next, guys, so let's get on and do that. Right, nice and easy to get these panels off. Move these out of the way. Literally, guys, so there they are. These just two little prongs pull out of there, releases the catch, these squeeze in, and then you can pull that straight out of the hole. So yeah, nice and easy, no tools required, just your fingers. Right, that's number one off, guys. You can see over here, you got these Ford clips on here that go around the edge. Literally just pull them off as I'll show you. Nice and easy, they just come off, so go around there, take all them off. You don't need these anymore. Job done. We'll do that for the rest of the panels, and yeah, we'll be golden. That was a tough one, guys. If you get any that are like that, you can't pull them out with your fingers. Just get a little screwdriver in between the lug here and a gentle ply, and that'll just pop straight out. You'll probably notice the last one to be quite tough to get out, guys, because you've got all this ply hanging from that one clip. So if you just find that, if you take the weight slightly when it's on there, if it's on there, just hold the bottom, take the weight, and that'll come out nicely. So that's two done. Super happy with the condition, guys, super happy. Right, let's get these backs done. There we go, guys. That's a little bit better for you. All the side paneling off, floors out. Like I say, pretty good condition. Got a little bit of rust there, we can sort that out. Got a hole there, a couple of little ones there, so we've got three there. Same one, let me get in the back and show you. So we come over here, we've got a little hole here, and then we've got a little screw we need to get rid of there. But, you know, overly quite a good condition, scratched up here and there, but to be fair, it doesn't really matter. Spin her around. So she's looking a lot better, guys, a lot better. Beautiful.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free. The way you're moving has got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever moving next to me.
Right guys, all done. All the panels are off the back. Now we've got to give it a good old tidy up, and then we can start putting some sound deadening and insulation in. Yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching guys. If you like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.